Hey guys, big shout out to Jessica Wig for sponsoring today's video. Jessica Wig sent me over this 13 by 4 HD lace frontal wig. Now this wig pretty much comes with everything already done for me. The lace comes already cut, the hairline comes pre-plucked, the knots come bleached already, the hair comes pre-styled, and the hair comes colored already. So I really don't have to do anything but put this wig on. So let's go ahead and see what I need to do. Alright, so first thing first, this wig comes with the elastic band in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on. FYI, you do not have to use any glue or gel or spray with this particular wig. So this is what the wig looks like putting it straight on. I have not done anything to this wig. I have not cut any lace. I have not secured the wig whatsoever, and the lace has literally already disappeared. So what I'm going to do right here actually is go ahead and tighten that band just so that the wig can be a little bit more secured. And right here I'm also just checking out the hairline on the wig as well. So honestly guys, this is really one of those good put on and go type of wigs, which is great for someone who don't have a lot of experience when putting on a wig, but it's also good for someone who wants the conveniency of literally putting on a wig and not having to do a whole lot for an install. So check out the hairline on this wig. Alright, so now that we have checked out the hairline on this wig, I'm going to go ahead and secure the wig down by using the E-Bend hairspray. Also, using hairspray is going to give you that more melted look, especially with melting the lace down on your skin. So take a little bit of your E-Bend hairspray and apply it directly on the lace. Take you a edge brush and just brush that into your hairline, and that will also help you give the melted skin effect. Alright, so I have a lot of extra lace. So basically what I'm doing right here is curving out some of the hairs like around the top of my ear. And that extra lace and that extra hair, I'm actually just going to go ahead and cut it. This is going to allow the wig to lay flat on my head and not have any issues like with the wig, of course, laying flat. And like if I want to put my hair behind my ears, I won't have any issues. And this also goes for like sizing too. So definitely do this if you notice that the wig is sitting like on top of your ear or something like that. Alright, so now that I got the wig pretty much customized to my head and I have it secured with my Eben hairspray, I'm going to go in with a headband, and this is going to help with the melted effect. It's also going to ensure that the hairspray pretty much presses into my skin so that it sticks better. Anytime you use like a spray or gel or glue, you want to follow up with the headband because it's just going to make sure that the product is pressed down better so that it holds better. Alright, so while I got the headband on and everything is melting, I'm going to go ahead and start styling my hair. Now this wig is already flat at the top, so you really don't have to do this step, but I'm just so used to doing it. I'm going to go in with a hot comb and just press out the roots again. I did use a little bit of a the hot comb is hot. I did use a little bit of a wax stick just to give the roots of the wig a little bit of a shine. Definitely did not have to do this. This wig is a put on and go type of wig. You do not have to do anything but secure this wig and literally go out the door. So yeah, this density on this wig, I don't know what it is. It feels like it's like 150 density wig. It is very, very full for it to be um, the texture that it is. I'm trying to look and see what density it is. It's definitely giving, okay, it's a 180 density wig, and I definitely feel it all the way through. This is a very full, beautiful wig. that I would highly suggest that you get your hands on if you love like this whole honey blonde look. This is very beautiful. But anyway, so I'm taking my hot comb and just pressing through, getting like any little dents or wrinkles that may be in the hair, which I'm sure is not, but just a little habit. Okay, now you can definitely just wear the wig just like this, but I know how to cut layers, so I'm going to add a little bit of layers to the front of this wig and just start framing my face a little bit. So I'm going to take a razor comb and just literally go straight down. Not too much. Yeah, so I'm only cutting layers in the front, and then where I cut those layers, I'm just going to go in with a 1-inch curling iron and just curl my hair going back and seeing if I need to add more layers to that section or if I'm good with basically not cutting any more layers. So, yeah. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove the headband and everything is perfect, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and finger comb these curls and everything is perfect, smooth and flat. And this is pretty much the final look to this pre-did everything wig. Like, literally, the wig came out perfect. And it only took me, what, 5 minutes or at least a couple minutes just to get this flawless install that didn't require me to have much skills. So, yeah, this is definitely like a perfect, convenient wig. Um, the hair is super soft, very full. I still can't believe it's 180 density, more like 210. It's super, super full. The color on this wig is very pretty as well. So yeah, everything about this wig is perfect. I'll make sure I leave the details in the purchasing link below. Also, I'm gonna leave a coupon code below as well, just so that you can save yourself some money when you decide to purchase this wig. Thanks so much for watching today's video and see you girls on the next one. Bye.